Hello everyone. Um, Even today, I would like to uh, talk a little bit more on perspective on emotions. So, in my previous video, I spoke of how we really need to sit with our emotions and our thoughts, and we need to ask ourselves, why am I really feeling this, or why am I really thinking about this? Is my emotion or my thought trying to tell me something? Is it trying to direct me in a particular way so that healing starts to happen? So, in the same context, I would like to add as to what you really do after you get an answer uh, to the question of why am I feeling this or why am I thinking about this. So, I would like to explain with the help of an example. So, mm for instance, or I have fear of losing people, or I if I have fear of that I will land up alone someday in my life. So, generally, I tend to cling to people, toxic relationships, toxic work environments. So that I suppress this feeling of, or the fear of landing up alone someday in my life. So the expression of it is clinging to people, and the core reason why I cling to people or toxic relationship is because I fear that I will land up alone someday. So now I have got an answer that I have fear of being alone. So now what to do with this? So when I sit with this answer that I have got, कि okay, चलो ठीक है, I have fear of being alone. So what am I really scared of? Am I really scared of being with myself when I'm alone? Or am I scared of whatever will show up when I'm alone? So this is the next step. So when I get the next step, as to probably, for instance, I'm scared of being alone with myself. So then why am I really scared of being alone with myself? So does that mean that I'm not comfortable being in my own company, or do I really need to uh, work on the acceptance level? No, do I really need to accept myself, my life situations, my past? Instead of fighting and struggling with this past, do I really need to accept that this is what it is, no matter how many times I replay it in my mind, that if it would have been better if I would have said this, or it would have been something different if people would have acted in a different way. So that's not how it is going to happen. Maybe this is the learning or the lesson that we need to take from the past, that what it is going to be the same way, no matter how long or how much I fight with it, right? So then, uh, the answer to my uh, question, the next question of my fear to be alone, is that I need to work on my acceptance. So this is the second step. I need to find the answer in the answer. So there is nothing that I'm going to get outside of me, or I cannot correct the things, or I cannot reframe or change the things that are beyond my control. So probably I need to let go of the control and stop replaying and rationalizing things in my head, saying कि ये हुआ, उसका रीज़न ये था, या ये ये सामने वाले ने बोला, उसका रीज़न XYZ था. So instead of getting in this blame game, it is easier to accept that okay, सामने वाले ने ये बोला, शायद मैंने ये इस तरीके से रिएक्ट किया. It might not have been right. It doesn't have to be right. So we always get in this struggle of proving who is right and who is wrong, and then replaying the same old scenarios in our head over and over again, and we don't get any output out of it. The only thing it does is it occupies the space in our heart, in our mind, where we can really feel love. So it just occupies this beautiful space in our heart and makes us relive the same old scenarios over and over again, making us feel the same old things, making us experience the same old fears and insecurities. So, if I really wish to let go of my fear and my insecurities, probably I need to work on my acceptance. So, then how do I really work on accepting myself? We all like and love the good parts that we have in us, right? But acceptance comes when we really acknowledge the presence of the mistakes, or probably the different experiences. So I would not say the right and the wrong or the good and the bad. It's probably the right and the different. So when I really accept the things that did not actually go according to my plans of my life, which we label as bad or wrong, so when I start accepting those parts of my life, that's when I start becoming whole. So, does this happen in a day? So, the answer is no, it doesn't happen in a day. It's working consistently every single day, every single minute of your life. So, acceptance starts from accepting the present, the past of your life. So don't push away what you feel is not going or did not go according to what you planned. Every experience that we have is trying to teach us something. So instead of just labeling it as good or bad or worst, see what is it really trying to teach me. Once I know what it is really trying to teach me, it is easier to accept. We are trying to convince ourselves when it comes to the bad or the wrong experiences according to us is how I could have been right, or how the other person could have behaved in the right manner, and how the circumstances or the situations could have uh, fallen in place according to my correct vision of life, right? Or how I wanted it to be placed in my life. So I feel it is very important to um, accept and understand what that circumstances or what those situations were trying to teach me, instead of trying to find out uh, who or how it could have been right according to my perception, right? So think about it, see uh, what the life circumstances or the situations or the situations which created this fear or this insecurity or this hurt in my mind is really trying to teach me. Is there a lesson that I really need to learn from it? Unless and until we learn the experience or we learn the lesson, it is going to show up in our mind because it is trying to indicate. It's like mm, the difficult sums or equations or algorithms in the math. So, unless and until you know the theory or how, take an example of an addition, unless and until you understand the concept of addition, unless and until you learn what is addition, you cannot add up two things. So, unless and until you figure out why a particular thing or what a particular thing is trying to teach me, you are not going to understand the importance of why it happened in my life. So, if you really wish to let it go, just sit with yourself, with the answers that you might have received, and dig a little deeper in it. Go layers down in your thoughts, go layers down in your emotions. Okay, so here is another perspective, or here is the next step probably you can follow, whatever you wish to label it. So think about it, try to attempt it, and do let me know your views on it. Thank you so much.